Alright guys, so today I'm cleaning up the helmets and gonna install the mics and everything, the pads. What I would recommend is you sew this Velcro on that ear pad, and then you put this is what I'm gonna do, and then you put the speaker on. This way it will not, go away when you put your helmet on and off. Also, I have a hard time to use the voice commands. Okay, so most of the voice commands now working, and this is what I did. I'm going to show you the trick. Let me see here. Sorry about that. Okay, so we open the Cardo app, okay, and this is what I did, and everything works fine. Even the music now, it's much more clear. And I'm gonna show you the trick because I'm reading the reviews and the comments, and it looks like people that have a lot of problem with the voice commands. All right, so most of the voice commands now working except the battery status. Everything else working fine. Probably this is gonna work too. And this is what I did. You go to audio settings, and I'm just gonna tell you what I have done, and it worked. Okay, it's really up to you to follow up or not. But this one, what I did, and it was working fine. So I lowered the automatic volume sensitivity to low. I put microphone sensitivity in middle, and I put voice recognition sensitivity to 70%. Okay, then I went back again, and I click on music, and then I click on that icon here, the music source, and I change. Before I do that, I have the player. Okay, I have my player playing. I have the phone player. This is my regular player playing. So before I did that, actually, then after I have the player playing, I check that other music application. You see that? If you click on that little thing here, it will tell you a couple of secrets. After that, all voice commands work perfectly. Almost all of them except the battery status. This is going to work too. Probably I say it wrong or something. All right, so this is what I want to say on this video. This is the part 2. And if you want to do also the update, let me show you how. This is the 5.6. I highly recommend it because you can share music with your partner and everything. Just go to the cargosystems.com and click update, and then go back here, okay, and pick the install cargo update, and it will go through a registration and everything, so you can register your unit. And then after that, you download. Let's see if we go here, sign in and everything. Okay. Then download the cargo update tool. Okay. Before you do that, just put the unit on the computer with a USB through the power, and then follow the installation guide here on the cargo update. All right, so that's it for part 2, and everything works fine right now. I'm going to put it on the helmet and do some testing. The music share also works with the passenger and the rider. Okay, so on the DMC and on the Bluetooth. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the part 3 soon.